Everywhere you look, people are talking about AI replacing jobs.
And it feels new, scary, like we're the first generation to ever face this.
But guess what? We've lived through this exact panic before.
And the last time it happened, it changed the entire world.
Let's rewind to the early 1800s, right when machines first started appearing in factories. People weren't just worried, they were terrified. Workers believed machines were going to replace every job, every skill, every human purpose. Sound familiar? Because this is the Industrial Revolution version of today's AI panic.
People were so scared, they didn't protest.
They riot.
Entire groups organized to destroy the new weaving machines.
They called themselves Luddites. And yes, that word still exists.
This wasn't about people hating technology. It was about people terrified of losing their livelihoods.
Here's the wild part.
It wasn't just the machines that scared people. It was the speed of the change. Entire industries were shifted in just a few years, faster than anyone could keep up.
And they didn't have support systems or retraining. Sound like right now?
But here's where history gets interesting. The Industrial Revolution did replace jobs, but it created entirely new industries no one expected.
New careers, new technologies,
New opportunities.
entirely new economies.
And many people ended up earning more, not less.
It happened again with electricity.
It happened with the computer
It happened with the internet.
every time. Jobs change, but humans adapt.
So what about AI? AI will replace jobs, just like machines did.
History shows that this isn't the end. Every major technology wave has created more jobs than it destroyed.
AI isn't removing humans, it's changing what humans do.
If there's one lesson from history, it's that fear of new technology is normal.
But humans have never failed to adapt.
If you want more deep dives like this,
Follow and stay tuned for next week.